Good morning class. I am Hemant Singh Pokhria. In last class we discussed about number system and r's complement, r minus 1's complement. Okay, in today lecture we will discuss some questions based upon number system and r's complement and r minus 1's complement. The number of digits in an octal number system, in octal number system base is 8, so total digits will be 8. Just like in hexadecimal number system base is 16, so total digits are 16. You know what is base? Base is nothing, total number of digits. Okay, the digit f in hexadecimal is equivalent to, it is 15. It is simple question. Okay, it is 15. Next, the number f in hexadecimal system has equivalence in decimal system too. Okay, means you have to convert from hexadecimal to decimal. One method, convert it from hexadecimal to decimal. Another method, you can first convert it into binary. Okay, then convert in decimal. FF is 111 and F111. When you will add 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64 and 128, you will get the result 251. Okay, so answer is B. This is, or directly you can determine in by converting from hexadecimal to decimal by using positional weight. Okay, next, two voltages are 0 volt and 5 volt in positive logic. In first lecture I explained in positive logic, higher of 2 voltages logic 1 and lower of 2 voltages logic 0. In 0 volt and minus 5 volt, which one is higher? 0 is higher, so 0 represent logic 1 and minus 5 represent logic 0. Okay, so answer A is correct. In positive, higher voltage represent logic 1 and lower logic 0. In the decimal number 27, the digit 2 represents, actually it is telling what is the positional weight of 2. Its 7th positional weight is 10 to the power 0 and 2's positional weight is 10 to the power 2. So it represents 20. Okay, so answer will be B. It represents 20. Next, hexadecimal number system. Okay, hexadecimal number, f is equal to octal number. Okay, f is equal to an octal number. F is nothing in hexadecimal. F is what? It is 15. Okay, and you have to convert it into octal number. F is nothing, it is 141. Now it is in binary, so make group of 3 bit. 111 is 7 and 001 is 1, so 17. Okay, so answer is your C. Next, binary number 1101 is equal to octal number. Binary number 1101 is equal to in binary. Just make group of 3 bits. 101 is nothing, it is 5, and 100. 001 is 1, so it is what? 101 5, so it is 15. This is your answer. Next, minus 8 is equal to in signed binary number. Okay, in signed binary number, just minus represents 1, and if number is positive, plus it represents 0. So minus, actually it is in 8 bit, so minus means 1. Okay, 1, and remaining 8 means 0 0 0 0 and 1 0 0. Okay, you can directly eliminate this. Now three options, this is negative number, this is negative number, and this is negative number. Again, in this magnitude is 0. In this case magnitude is 1 2 4 8 16 30 64. So it is the correct answer. This 1 represent minus, and because we have to make 8 bits, so just write down 100 what 8, just insert 30 here. Okay, so 30 we inserted, so 10, so our answer is A. This is the explanation. 1's complement, just change 1 by 0, 0 by 1, so it is 1 0 0 1. Okay, next 2's complement 0 1 0 1. Okay, first determine 1's complement, then add 1. 1 0 1 0 plus 1 1 0 1 1. So answer is A. Yes, you can see the explanation. 1 0 1 0 plus 1 1 0 1 1. These are very simple question. Okay, next minus 24 in 2's complement method. Minus 24 in 2's complement. Minus 24 is nothing, it is 2's complement of plus 24. Okay, minus indicates 2's complement, so 2's complement of 24. First represent plus 24, determine 2's complement. Okay, plus 24 is, because we have to represent in 8 bit, so this 0 for plus, and 24 is 1 1 1 0 0. 16 plus 8 24, 16 plus 8, so just insert 2 0 because we have to make 8 bit, so this is 2's complement. And now determine 2's complement, so 1 1 1. Okay, this is your option A. A is the correct answer. Okay, next 3BF16 in base 2, just replace every digit by equivalent 8421 code. Okay, so F means 111, next B means 11, so 8 plus 2 plus 1, 8 plus 2 plus 1, 1011, and 7 is 011. Okay, so option is B. Next you have to convert into base 10. Okay, one method, first convert into base 2, then into base 10. Now directly you can convert in base 10 by using positional weight formula. 6 into 16 की पावर 0 plus 15 into 16 to the power 1 plus 7 into 16 to the power 2 plus E means 14 into 16 to the power 3, and this is your answer. Okay, answer will be, now add all these 5 9 3 8 2. Okay, these are very simple questions. Convert into base 16. Okay, how to convert? 2 8 now divide by 16 and take remainder in reverse order. Okay, then this method and take remainder in reverse order. So you can practice, you have Morris Mano book, so you can practice. Okay, okay, now we will see some difficult question. Okay, these are very simple. Yes, consider the operation 24 plus 17 equal to, find the correct base or radix of that number system. You have to determine in which number system it is possible. You have to determine the base of this number system. Now you don't know 24 plus 17 equal to 40. Okay, so one shortcut method is this, just you know 4 plus 7 equal to 11. Now it is coming 0, so you have to subtract 11, then only you can get 0. 11 minus 11 0, then 2 plus 1 1 carry 4, so 40. You can, by shortcut method directly you can say it is in base 11. Another method, general method, that is applicable in all cases. Just convert all number in decimal number system. 4 into 10 to the power, suppose base is b, 4 into b to the power 0 plus 2 into b to the power 1 plus 1 into b to the power 1 plus 7 into b to the power 0 equal to 4 into b to the power 1 plus 0 into b to the power 0. This is your explanation. Okay, just you have to convert in decimal number all these. Now calculate 2b plus 4 plus b equal to 4b, and you know b into 0 is 1. Okay, so b equal to 1. Find the f's complement of this. Okay, f's one, you know f's complement is nothing, it is 16 minus 1 complement. So it is in base 16. If this is not in base 16, you have to convert this into base 16. Subtract every digit from f. F minus d, f minus f, f minus b, f minus 2. F minus d is nothing, it is f means 15, d means 13. F minus d 2, f minus f 0, f minus b 15 minus 11 4, f minus 2, f minus 2, it is 13. 13 is nothing, it is d. Okay, this is your correct answer. Okay, D402. Now this is GATE 1987 question. The subtraction of a binary number y from another binary number x done by adding the 2's complement method of y to x. Y means, it means binary number y, a binary number y from another binary number x done by adding the 2's complement of y, means you are performing x minus 1 y. Okay, in a binary number without overflow. Okay, without overflow means you are not getting carry. It means number is negative and in 2's complement. Okay, if carry is generated, it means number is, you will get the positive answer. We have seen 5 minus 2, it is getting 5 minus 2. In this case you are always getting carry. If a is always greater than b, you will get always carry, either in 1's complement method or in 2's complement. If a is less than b, in that case you do not get carry. So answer is negative in 2's complement form. Okay, next, an equivalent 2's complement representation of 2's complement number of this. Now one thing you have to note down, this number is of 4 bit but answer is in 6 bit. Okay, first determine 2's complement of 1101. This is nothing, 0 0 1 0 plus 1, 0 0 1 1. Okay, 0 0 1 1, you have to make 6 bit, insert 2 0. Now take 2's complement. You can see here 0 1 1, just insert 2 0 here. Now determine 2's complement, so its 2's complement will come this. So answer is D. 2's complement this, so answer will come this. 2's complement representation of minus 17. Minus 17 is nothing, it is 2's complement of plus 16. Okay, 2's complement of plus 16, and plus 16 is nothing, 0 1 0 0 0 1. Then take 2's complement. Okay, this is your plus 17. Plus 17 is this 1 0 0 1. This is your magnitude. Okay, so insert 0. This 0 represent plus, this 1 0 0 1 represent 17. Okay, now take 2's complement, so it will give 1 0 1 1 1. Okay, next, the in 4 bit 2's complement representation of a decimal number is 1000. The number is simple, just take 2's complement of this, you will get 2's complement of this is 0111 plus 1, 0 1 1 1 plus 1 1 0 0 and 1, so it is minus 8. Okay, this is minus 8. You can see the explanation 100. The range of, this is very important question, the range of decimal number, the range of decimal number that can be written in 6 bit in 1's complement form. I already explained what is the formula of 1's complement. Its formula is 2 to the power n minus 2 to the power n minus 1 plus 1, 2 plus 2 to the power n minus 1 minus 1. N is 4, n is 6, 2 to the power minus 2 to the power 6 minus 1 means 2 to the power 5 plus 1 means minus 31. 2 to the power n minus 1 minus 1, 2 to the power n minus 1 means 2 to the power 6 minus 1 5, 2 to the power 5 minus 1 31, so minus 31 to plus 31. Okay, either you can calculate by using formula or simply you can calculate by this method. As he explained, you know, minimum value of any number can be 1. Okay, minimum value can be 0 or maximum value can be 1, because in case of minus, this is your sign bit, so all bit are 1, so minus 31, and for positive number it will be 0 and maximum will be 1 1 1, so plus 31. Okay, this is all about today discussion class, and just practice it, and if you have any doubt you can discuss with me, and for this you have reference book Morris Mano. Okay, you can see there. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day.